Right. Gonna need some fuel in this. Righto. There we go. Hello there people of the internet, my name is Owen and welcome to a brand new video here on Blurb. Now, this lockdown is piss poor. I'm getting fed up with this now. Right guys, today we're going to be changing the dash cam in the Astra J. You haven't seen the Astra J for a little while now because we've been sorting out that particular Astra over there, or fuming, going to have a new axle, or having to go away for a couple of weeks, maybe months. Anyways guys, we're changing the dash cam today. Now I've already gone through the process in trying to fit this dash cam because I already had a cable there, except there's one particular problem. So it's one of these neck-based dash cams which I should be able to just, he says, pull off. Anyways, it's one of these new next-based dash cams. The problem being is I can't tilt it enough. I mean, one, it's pointing in the wrong direction. The camera's not pointing to where I want it to be, and that's because of the cable above it. Now, if I can get the camera to focus, there it is there. The cable is actually blocking the camera from moving because of the way the cable is. So I've gone ahead and bought this long cable, which has the right connection for it anyway. So this should work. The downside being is, as you guys have seen in previous times, I've got to take this apart again by taking this off, taking these out, taking all this off. I've got to take that out. I've got to take the little corner piece down there out as well, which is nice, just to rewire that wire so that this dash cam works. Anyways, and a quick update with the Astra as well. Let's see the mileage we've put on it now. Come on, there we go. Let's have a look. What are we on? What are you on, go? 64,639 miles. You guys remember when I first got this car, it was on 37,000 miles. I've almost done 30,000 miles in this car. Right now, this is what I'm seeing. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's not showing entirely everything. I mean, if you were the dash cam, you're pointing up like this right now, so it's not showing everything like that. We need to get that addressed. As you can see, the GoPro is sat over there already with my road kit, which is right there too. Yeah, right, let's get to it and let's change this bloody cable. So first of all, let's go and get some tools in the back of Sarah's Astra. Right, here's a mess inside this boot. Sarah, if you're watching, I am sorry. Oh. Right, we need that. See what the boot of the Astra looks like. Probably in better nick. Okay, whatever. This might as well be bent. Guys, if you want to buy a dash cam, whatever you do not buy the Tesco's one. This one is absolutely crap. The bloody screen broke on it literally from a day of use. So That's a load of rubbish. Funnily enough, the last dash cam I bought from Tesco's I've had since my first car, and that was the one that let me down, and that's the one I've just had to change. Not bad for 14 quid though. This is the next base I went for, the 122, I'm guessing that is. So we're in the car, and now we're going to dismantle it, which is it's going to be fun. First of all, we need to unplug these like that, because then I've got to figure out which one is which. Might as well unplug the aux, get that out of the way, and then we need to take out all of this so that we can get to the back. Right, and then you have a cover inside here which you remove, and it is filthy. Then this, apparently, if I remember rightly, should just pop out, he says. And then there's 2 screws to take this off. This toolbox has seen some use, fair play to it. Should pop out like so. There we go. So that just comes out like that. So we'll put that over there, and then this by the gear selector. There we go. The gear selector should just, there we go, pop out like that. And then there's 2 screws here and here to come out, and that allows that to lift off. There we go. There's one. Put that there for now. There we go. So that comes out, and that goes there. So then this, there we go. See how that moves? And then the rest is literally clips around here, and that should be enough to get everything out. GoPro decided to let me down, so we're using the phone instead. Let us continue by doing 1 or 2 things. Pulling and gently wiggling it off. There we go. So now that can, if it allows me to come off like that. So we'll just move that over here for a minute. I'll just put this back, and now we've got to figure out the cable. So we'll move this out of the way, I'll unplug that, and we'll go down here. Got to open the door for this. Right, and it's behind the glove box, which will be next to take out. You've got to take the entire radio out in order to do what we need to do, which is nice, but I'm sure I can use my new socket set for such an occasion, although it doesn't look new anymore. We can use probably a 7mm, which it indeed is, and we can use a small ratchet for this. So So, are you the footwell lights? No. Are you the footwell lights? Yes, you are. Which first of all is going to be a bit of a faff, because this has to squeeze through here like that, and then you've got to realign everything back up like that. Now the less cable you see, the better, so we'll just tap you back all in. That'll do it. Back down, we'll squeeze this back up, we'll put some screws in here, and hey presto guys, we're done then. There we go. And now this can go back in and clip back in like so. We've got the plastic here, which might need the light for this. Goes back into here and clips back in like that, and then this little rubber mat, which I could just clean off, can go back in like that. And look at that, we're pretty much done. So all we need to do now is put the glove box back in and then route the wire up there, plug it in, and job is a good one. So, whilst I'm technically pretty much sorted now, the car is now filthy. So I've got to sort all this out by putting this all in the boot now, and test to see how well it's done in the dash cam. But yes, it's not very easy or quick to just install the dash cam properly in this car. You've got to sort loads of other bits out too, which is always a plus. So guys, that took a bit longer than expected. Halfway through this video I seem to have had issues with my GoPro. It just completely crashed after I said the memory was full, and I tried to fathom out how to get rid of some of the saved data on it whilst not plugging it into a computer. Tried doing it via my phone, and my phone wouldn't connect to it, which is nice. So I've had to sod that off. I'm right now using my phone with a selfie stick connected to the road, which isn't bad. I mean, it's still good camera quality. It was just a bit more difficult than what I anticipated. So I've had to use the tripod over there whilst botching this onto it. The interior is done. It does need an almighty clean, But if I grab my, well, in fact, we don't even need to. As you can see, there is a better improvement. You can actually see through the dash cam now and see down the road. Yeah, the Astra J is not the easiest interior to fit, but it's not difficult. It's quite easy once you know how to do it. I mean, I've already attempted to do the Astra J's interior already. I already know how to sort of dismantle it. So if you guys like this video, why not leave a like and subscribe? It's actually a different video to any of the other cars we do. I haven't done a video on the Astra J for a little while now. Anyways guys, thanks you very much for watching this video. Hope this video helped you if you were doing installs on your Astra J at home. If you like this video, like I say, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Ta-da.